I'm going to fill in with the superfoods
Yeah, great.
that maybe don't go in a smoothie, like garlic. Garlic doesn't really do a good job. I have never had a smoothie with garlic that's good, right? No.
I didn't have garlic put out today.
And avocado we use in smoothies a lot. That's in a lot of our recipes. Ooh, olives is definitely on the list. Shiitake mushrooms is on the list for the vitamin D, the B vitamins, and the immune kind of piece. So shiitake we love. Beans, all kinds of beans on the list for the fiber to help estrogen detox, etc. And greens are also on that list, mostly for the estrogen detox, but everybody knows that greens are unbelievable superfoods. We went through sort of the fats, and so I think that it's the greens and the brassica family plants that are the ones that sort of didn't get talked about enough. We try and get people to eat those every single day in some way. The brassica family is the broccoli family, or kale, Romanesco, apparently one of my favorites. What else is in there? All the greens, cauliflower. That's a pretty color.
It's delicious.